Hey! The light bulb's acting up again!
Hurry! Find somewhere to take cover!
Hey, Tim, I've got a question. How exactly does a rainbow form?
Good question. A rainbow forms when sunlight hits raindrops and bends and spreads inside them.
So the rain makes the sunlight bend?
Yes, when light enters a raindrop, its speed changes and it bends. That's called refraction. Then it reflects inside the drop. And when it exits again, it's split into different colors.
Why does it split?
Because sunlight is actually made up of many colors. Each color has a different wavelength. For example, red has a longer wavelength and bends less, while violet has a shorter wavelength and bends more.
So that's why we see the colors separated?
Exactly. That's called dispersion. The light breaks up into its component colors and appears as a spectrum.
And we see that spectrum as a colorful arc?
Yes, because light from many raindrops reaches our eyes at specific angles. The spectrum looks like an arc.
Why an arc, though? Why not say a straight line?
That's because each drop reflects light at a certain angle. When thousands of drops reflect light at just the right angles, the result appears as a curved shape.
So a real rainbow is never straight?
Nope. A rainbow is actually a full circle, but we usually only see the top half because the Earth blocks the bottom part.
So if I'm in a plane, can I see the whole circle?
Yeah, if the lighting and angle are just right, you can see a full circular rainbow from the air.
Whoa! That's awesome! Then why do we sometimes see two rainbows?
That's due to double reflection. The light reflects inside the raindrop a second time, creating a second rainbow, and its colors are reversed.
And to see it, the sun has to be behind us, right?
Exactly. The sun needs to be behind you, and it has to be raining in front of you.
One more question. Why can't we go under a rainbow, like in those legends where there's treasure at the end?
Because a rainbow isn't a physical thing. It's an optical phenomenon that only appears from a specific angle between the sun and your eyes. If you move, the rainbow's position shifts too.
So why don't we see rainbows all the time? It rains a lot.
Because it depends on the angle of the sunlight. Usually the sun needs to be low in the sky, like in the morning or late afternoon, for the right angle to form a rainbow.
So if it starts raining and the sun comes out, I should turn my back to the sun and look for the rainbow?
Exactly. If the conditions are right, you'll definitely see one.
All right, now I get it. A mix of sunlight, water, and the perfect angle, all coming together to make something beautiful.
Yes, completely natural, totally scientific, and still amazing every time.
Ouch, why are we even doing this?
For those who still haven't subscribed,
They still haven't?
maybe they need a sign.
Here it is. Hit subscribe.
I know you hear me.
Subscribe now!